Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is a really simple birthday card we're making today. So let's get started. Now we're going to be using a favourite stamp set of mine, Biggest Wish, and I'm really grateful that this carried over into the new annual catalogue. I absolutely love it, and I'm going to use my favourite stamps, Happy Birthday. And we're going to stamp in pale pawpaw ink, or pale papaya. In South Africa we don't call papayas, we call them pawpaws. And as you know, my mother's family is all from South Africa, so I tend to call it a pawpaw. So to me it is pale pawpaw. And there you go. And that is the end of that. So let's give this a good press down. Just like that. That will do fine. Now close up our ink pad before anything falls in it. And I can see I've made a bit of a mess inking up my stamp set, so I'm going to clean up as I go along, and that way nothing can fall into it or cause a problem. And I love being able to just take the lid off and give everything a really good rub-a-dub-dub. And I'm just using the simple chamois that I store here in this spare stamp case. So let's take these off, and then we can put our magnets back in their little homes here. Careful, don't let them meet each other because they can snap if you do, because they are extremely strong. Okay, we're going to cut this out using our trimmer here. So let's bring in our trimmer. And we're just going to do this freehand. Like that. And then maybe like that, and then a little bit more off here. You can see I'm not concentrating, I'm not being too precise about it, I'm just doing what looks good to my eye. Okay, and then I've got a piece here of pale pawpaw cardstock, and we're just going to mat our piece down just like that, and then we're just going to cut this out freehand as well. So let's set the trimmer aside. I'm just going to take out my long scissors, but I think I want to trim this bit down just a little bit more. I find this actually easier to do just with the scissors, like that. Okay, we're ready to assemble our card. Our card base is thick basic white, so that's a standard A6 card base. So that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece here of the Heart and Home Designer Series paper. Got some seal on the back. I love all these little gorgeous bees. They're so cute. So just like that. And then I think I'm going to pop this up on dimensionals. So let's use some of these here. And I've got some of these edges, which, as you know, I like to use. It makes life much easier. So I'm just filling with the old dimensional. Nice and generous as always with my adhesive. Give it a press down and take all these wretched backings off. So if you're enjoying this video, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and do consider subscribing to future videos. It really does help. because it tells YouTube that these videos are being watched, and therefore they'll show them to other people. So I really do appreciate for you if you could do that. Not just for me, but for any videos you watch that you really enjoy on YouTube. It really helps all YouTube creators. Now I've got here one of these Heart and Home doilies, and this is the blue, but instead of using the blue I just want to use the white, so I'm just going to turn it over and use the white. And then I'm just going to place, sort of check out my placement sort of that I want. So maybe around there. And then something like that. Okay. And then finishing touches, I've got some pearls here. And I'm just going to put a few. Well, it fell in that position and that's where it's staying. Come on, Pearly. This one doesn't want to come. Not for love nor money. There we go, got it. And then maybe one up here. Something flicked off somewhere, but I can't see what. I'll find that later. And one more pearl, if I can get it to come off. Eek! Really not wanting to play ball today, is it? Let's try another one. What is wrong with them today? They don't want to play ball. There we go. So that's that card. That's that card. I hope you enjoyed them. As I said, all the information about this project is on the blog post, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes a link to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club, and we also have fortnightly challenges and all sorts of fun stuff, so do come and check us out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.